Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have I want to say a birthday happy mail, but this was supposed to be an entry to my giveaway for my birthday giveaway, and it came late, but the person who sent it is okay with it. She just really wanted to send something to me as a nice little gift, and this is coming from our lovely Miss Elizabeth Beadybombom here on YouTube and Instagram. And guys, I already saw her video, but I just can't wait to get into this box. Oh my god. She told me I need a whole shelf. I'm playing. No, she did not say that. But look, you guys, look at her box. So beautiful. Let's take the bubble wrap. Look at this. This is her card. It says, I hope your birthday is full of sunshine and laughter. Oh my gosh, she has beautiful writing. Hi Eileen, happy belated birthday. I hope you were beyond blessed on your special day. Here is a little something I created for you. I hope you love it. Please do not add me to the wheel. Just wanted to show support for your channel. By the way, the lid is a little tight. You will need to twist from the bottom stand and pull at the same time. Sending crafty hugs, Elizabeth. Oh, hon, thank you. Look, there's her stamp. Handmade by Beadybombom Elizabeth. I love it. She has her own fancy stamp and everything, and this card is beautiful. I love it. So let's see what she did in her box. Oh, you guys. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, listen. Oh girl. Oh my goodness. So she got it nice and packed, nice and safe. Oh, it did get a little bit squished, but it's okay. Oh, that's so awesome. Yeah, our postal service is still kind of rough around the edges here. So, oh, look at the box. Just bend it right back into shape. No worries. Look at the color. This goes on top, guys. Look at this. Let me show you what this beauty looks like. Oh, I love it, Elizabeth. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, she even has confettis. Look, 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 look. Oops. Sorry, cake. This is gorgeous. No calories. 0 calories cake, so I can have it all day, every day. Okay. Oh my god. Let me just get the lid on so we could see. So the mail service kind of squished it, so it doesn't want to sit there now. But look. Let me pull this out. This is so cute. Elizabeth! Look at that. She even has a present on there. So look at this. It's a little dessert bowl from Dollar Tree, she said. I saw the video, so oh my god, but this is just beautiful in my hands. Oh girl. Look at, she's got some like pearl sprays up on top. And she has some foam flowers here. And this little tulle flower here. And she made a little teeny tiny present right there. And she's got a bunch of pearlies. Oh my gosh, Elizabeth, I love it. I love it. And then she made a little cake topper. And it says, it's your birthday, make a wish. This is gorgeous. And she's got some balloons on there with a beautiful ribbon right there around the strings. She's got a little curly Q going right here. Oh, there's that little, what is this called? Balloon animals. You know, the ones that they twist into a shape. It's a little unicorn. Oh my gosh. This thing is so beautiful. Here's another spray of pearls and then more pearls. And she used a whole bunch of little teeny tiny pearls. Look at all this lace detail. All of this beautiful purple and white. and pink. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it. And then there's more bling. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's open the top. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna put it right here. And you can see it. And then what's on the top, she has a little bit of scrunchies, not scrunchies, shred, and I was gonna say pineapple. Pom-poms. Look at these. Oh my goodness, Elizabeth, thank you. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, what is this? Look at that. Oh my gosh. She's got a flower down on the inside. You see that? So that stays in there. I'm just gonna reshape the box because of the hole. I love this paper. Look at that birthday paper, guys. The inside has all the birthday balloons and the numbers. Just gorgeous. See that? That's so pretty. Elizabeth, thank you so much. No way! No way! Oh my god, look at her. Beautiful. Her chunky charm. This is my freaking, oh my god, everything purple. I love it. Girl, I want to hang this on my purse. Yes. Look at the bead caps on these things. Oh my gosh. They're so intricate. So gorgeous. There's some spacers here with some bling on there. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And she has these little berry beads. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you, Elizabeth. Oh my gosh. This chunky right here. Oh my goodness. All wire wrapped beads that she did herself. This is so beautiful. Everything is, you just have to take your time and look at every little piece. Oh my goodness. Elizabeth, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I love it. Okay, so she said to hold the cake and twist and pull. I'm scared. Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. Everything is so finished. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Oh, she sent the memory decks. Yes. Thank you, Elizabeth. Yes. I got one from my girl. Yes, look at how pretty this is. She's got gold candles. Then she also cut it on foam. The banner is cut with foam and gold paper. She got these two beautiful tiny rosettes. It says birthday wishes. And this cake. Look at the cake. With the pretty flowers. Oh, I love it. Elizabeth, thank you so much for joining, girly. Oh, and this just has her info. This is her info. And it just slides out from behind the cake. And it just has Elizabeth, and her date of birth is December 29th. Favorite color is blue and pastels. And her favorite crafty style is shabby chic glam. And info, I don't celebrate Halloween. Yes, that is nice to know. Some people do not. They just do not celebrate Halloween, but that is good. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. She's going into my box. She is number 66 officially. Look at this tiny little envelope. It says big wishes. And this beautiful cupcake, and it says celebrate. I think that's a stamp. A stamp and die. Ooh, nice. I like that. That is so pretty. Okay, let me open this up. Ooh, birthday wishes. Oh, wow. Oh, look at the size. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a celebrate stamped and she gave me so many. Inspiration. Oh my gosh, Elizabeth, thank you. Create. Thank you, sweetie. It says sweet. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Sweet. She stamped and cut a whole bunch of words for me. Sentiments. Some more sweets and thanks. Celebrate. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Happy. You are. Memories. Oh my gosh, Elizabeth, thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy. Favorite. Yes, favorite. Fabulous. Oh my gosh. So many different words in this set. Thank you. There's so many, guys. There's just so many. I will put these to work. Create. Celebrate. Whoops. I don't want to lose any of my words. Yes, girly. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I was just admiring it. Oh my gosh. How thoughtful. These are always handy. I never have sentiments, the right sentiments, or even pretty sentiments. So I appreciate that. That is so handy. And it's pretty fonts. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna put this right here. Look at her beautiful flowers. Elizabeth. Wow. Look at that blue, is so pretty. The gold is embossed, guys. So she embossed these gold papers here underneath these blue petals. They are embossed. This one is a matte gold. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. There's another one. And then she has some purple ones. It's so pretty. Elizabeth, thank you so much for doing this for me. Just so pretty. Oh my gosh, really? Wow. So much work goes into these, guys. There's so much work. You have to shape the petals, you have to layer them. And there's more pom-poms. I love the shred. Even the metallic is purple. And she has, ooh. Oh, she got shaker cards for me. Look at this. We have a little llama, some party banners. It says surprise. Oh, she has a gorgeous mix in here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Oh, there you go. Look at these gorgeous flowers in there in her mix, and pinks and blues. She even has the tissue paper confetti in here also. Oh, thank you, Elizabeth. These are going to be so fun to play with, to create and add to. Oh my gosh, look at this one. And she's got the balloons and the lace and the pom-poms up on top. Oh my gosh. I'm just looking at this sequin mix. She's got stars in here also. And the little teeny tiny cup flowers. Just a really pretty mix. Oh my gosh. It says eat cake. Isn't that gorgeous? A little piñata. We used to have piñatas at our birthday parties all the time. All the time. I loved it. Take that aggression out on that piñata. And she gave me 2 to make for myself. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. Oh my God. She made pom-pom party hats. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh, wow. So adorable. This will be so handy for the upcoming birthday challenges or swaps or whatever. But that's so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys got to check Elizabeth out. She is Beadybombom on Instagram and YouTube. And show her some crafty love, guys. I'm picking out the pom-poms because I want them. They're all purple. Show her some crafty love. This cake is adorable. Go check out Dollar Tree and grab your little truffle cake containers. Look at that. Doesn't that just look fun just like that? Oh my gosh, I love that. Elizabeth, thank you. Oh, I'm not putting that back on there. That was so hard. But guys, check her out, show her some love, and I'll see you all on the next video.